Oh, okay. Go ahead and ooh, I can't watch that.
Sure you can.
No, man, that'll hurt your eyes.
No, I don't.
Then why you got a helmet on?
Cause I'm a sissy.
This a MIG welder?
I got a helmet on cause I'm a sissy.
What kind of welder is this?
Hobart.
That's better than the other one? The one that's not Hobart.
Hobart? Yeah, it's better than not a Hobart.
Oh, really?
What?
Dude, let it cool off first, man.
I am. I'm going to the other one.
Shane, don't try this at home. This guy's weird. Don't let him fool you. That was one that he couldn't get off. So I was so disappointed.
Charles. It was one for Charles I couldn't get off.
No, that's one Thurman had. Why didn't he had to, y'all end up replacing the head?
Oh, no. No, that was Charles.
Oh,
Thurman had one that it was a 3.6 and the studs broke, or the bolts broke on a 3.6. And when we tried to do it,
it was a 3.6
on Thurman's, and they were crossed in there, so they weren't coming out. I welded it on, and it broke the bolt again, so it wasn't coming out. Here, hold your hand out.
No.
Why? You want to see
Why
it?
you use a big ass nut? So you got nuts laying around just for that?
Easier to get to. Why wouldn't I use a big nut? Why would I use a little one that's harder to get to? Huh?
I got an arc welder, so.
Oh, good.
His welding machine's better than yours, though. Or cash out.
Cash is preferable.
Cash my hand out.
It's going to the
Cash
same
my
place.
hand out. No, I forgot my wallet today. That's lunch money.
Your ass don't go to lunch no way. Now all of a sudden, he want to start going to lunch.
Right.
That's taking the extra money.
Right. All of a sudden, he home. He got a special appetite. He don't know what the wife could put in the bag.
Woo! Where's the skillet?
Don't say that too loud. It might make you lose.
That don't mean you skillful.
Pretty skillful.
You ain't eating my lunch I put it in the bag for you? What?
Right. Where'd he go? All right.
Ah, no.
It's hot.
That shit was hotter than hinges of hell.
Whoa.
You lucky I grabbed your hand, dude. That shit is on fire. I'll bet you money.
Damn, it's still hot.
Yeah.
Then why you?
You're welcome, by the way.
Welcome for what? You stopping me from losing a finger?
You from losing the
Look, I said it right here. It started melting into the.
You could have been a criminal and not, no fingerprints and stuff, but I saved your ass.
That's what criminals get rid of their fingerprints.
I don't think that's how, but they do.
That's all for painful, ain't it? All right, guys. Y'all saw how he did it. All right. Stay tuned.
Let's talk real quick, guys. I'm doing a thermostat on this PT Cruiser, you can see. Now, I'm saying for overheating, guys, but I want y'all to see something, right? How is this possible? This car must really be overheating if it was overheating with the thermostat stuck in the open position. Let me show you something about this thermostat. It's like, y'all see the twangs at the bottom? It's like once it go down so low, it's gonna stay down. I didn't know thermostat act that way. I thought once this wax get a little, or whatever they call this, once it get to a certain temperature, yes, it will open, but once it cool down, it will close. No, the little latches inside of here has opened up, or it went so low to where these little twangs are holding the thermostat down. Okay, this is not normal as far as the thermostat is. Okay, yeah, I don't want to stick a stuck open thermostat. I took this out of here. I'm getting ready to replace it. I took this out. But my point is, why in the world is it stuck open? Okay, you would think it would close back up, but hey, I don't know what this all about. Just something to think about. All right? I don't know. Stay tuned.
Alrighty, guys. As you can see, we have a hybrid Pacifica in the shop. Now, guys, it's all about safety precaution around here. Okay,
This is something we all learned in school. We had to go to training on this type of stuff, guys. Whatever we're doing electronically, or just about any repairs, basically, we have to practice safety measures, guys. Now we have to grab the gloves, a whole set of tools that have to be employed when working on such a vehicle. Okay, now I'm sure over time this will all die down, but for now we have to practice safety measures and use the tools applied to. It's supposed to be a hook. I think they're gonna get the hook. The hook is to grab the person if something happened, but I haven't heard of any instances where somebody has been damaged from working on hurt. Okay, that's the word I'm looking for. I haven't heard of any instances of anybody's being damaged working on one of these, but we do not want to hear of any instances. Now, what is he doing? I have no idea. I'm not sure. Yeah, we got the cover off, so it's a lot of electricity going on. Guys, y'all know what orange mean. Orange is be very careful. Let me put it that way. Like I say, we was forced. We had to take training on this, so everybody's supposed to know the basic operation of these hybrid vehicles. Okay, especially the safety precautions. If nothing else, they want us to know the safety precautions because, yes, you need to practice safety precautions no matter what you're doing, guys. At the end of the day, it's still a engine and a transmission in here somewhere. Okay, so big old battery, high voltage battery is employed on one of these. We have a tool to drop the battery if need be, but yes, we have to be extremely careful. And most of these the repairs we're doing now, some of them are recall. I filmed one guy in the back, the used car guy doing one. They had to replace this harness. I think the harness goes from the battery to one other component. I'm not sure, but at any rate, we have to be extremely careful. Okay, so the Pacifica Hybrid likely getting the recall done. All right, so that's all I have, guys. I just wanted y'all to check that out and to assure you that we practice safety precautions if nobody else does. Okay, nobody wants to be hurt or no dealer wants to be known for the dealer that somebody got hurt in. All right, so yes, when it was dispatched out, first thing they had to tell the technician was it's a hybrid and find out if he had training on it. If you haven't had training on it, you can't touch them. And I ain't sure anybody want to touch them even if they had training on it, so go figure. But it was mandatory. We had to go get training on it, and we all likely have. All the level 3 techs have the hybrid training of some sort. Okay, at least the basic training, the basic knowledge. All right, that's all I have, guys. Stay tuned.